So first I'm cleaning my table. So now I'm going to make a basket into a bookshelf, like that. So now I'm going to put some Islamic stories and storybooks. I put my para and some Islamic coloring books. I'm putting my dua book and my Quran. And of course, my journal, so I know what I'm doing at Ramadan. And of course, some pens to write in my journal. So now I'm gonna put some plants, some flowers, a lantern. So I'm going to put a plastic plate and tasbih in it, candles, some badges, and a lantern. Do not put the candle on fire. So now I'm gonna take a janmas and put attar on it, put it in the basket, and also on my scarf. Put it in the basket, and under my table it goes. So I made a Ramadan reading corner for myself because I'm going to memorize some surahs by heart. It will be very helpful for me. So I'm just cleaning everything for Ramadan. It should be nice and tidy. Also in my tent because I'm going to make a Ramadan Arabian tent. So at first I'm going to put a fuzzy carpet and some pillows I can sit. My mom helped me make this calendar and I painted this canvas with. So I just put a birdhouse my khala gifted me. They were two, so I just picked this one. So it will be a charity box. All my aunts painted these birdhouses by themselves. And don't forget some Ramadan official banners and some more fairy lights. So it's not only about decorating, it's also about doing ibadah and fasting. I will be fasting. Will you fast? So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share with your friends. Ramadan Kareem.